Hey, what up, y'all?
Hey y'all.
Just in case you guys have been under a rock, I'm here to remind you. Um, my partner in crime and I, we recently released a project called Couples Quarantine,
10-step guide to
being a power
becoming.
couple in these dark times. Um, I know the quarantine can be challenging for a lot of you guys, especially if you have prior issues, if you have current issues, whatever the case is. But be mindful. We're quote unquote stuck with one another right now. So it's best that we make the absolute best out of these times. We build if we can. We try to progress if we can. Get to know each other, bond, all those good things, right? So we released this project that has it has 10 steps, but it actually got a lot more extra steps. And we also released the relationship flashcards. They actually come in a package deal. So just encouraging you guys, while we got this excessive time on our hands, it's a great time to build. It's a great time to find out, the true, just have a true understanding of your partner. I tell you guys all the time, I'm not gonna get deep into it, but so many of us are sleeping with people that we really don't know. So many of us are birthing children with people we don't know. You don't know their true likes. You don't know their true wants, their goals. Um, you don't know their porn search history. I mean, I know that may seem minute, but that's a big deal. Some of y'all have no idea what they look at or what they into when they're not around you or they're not in front of you. And I'm gonna give you a quick example, right, of the flashcards, just to drop something on your conscience. This flashcard says basically showing it's a two-way street, and you got to compromise. Ego, trauma, and self-sabotage gets in the way a lot of people compromising. We absolutely know what the issue is with one another. We're having a stronger bond. We just refuse to compromise and wonder why we don't get anywhere. Uh, Play together to stay together. I'm gonna let y'all decide what that one mean. I'm not gonna get into that one. Do you listen? Again, y'all, minute things, but a lot of people literally struggle with these. Some people do not listen. They only listen to have a rebuttal or to have a response. Some people genuinely do not take accountability and just try to get an understanding of where you're coming from. I'm gonna give you guys one more.
Minute things are major though, if you think about it. The little things add up, and they're very, very important. Just as important as the big things.
And you know what?
The small things create the big things. You can't have the big things without the small things. So.
And speaking of that,
Yeah.
here go a good one that's gonna tie in with also again, y'all. These are the relationship flashcards. It also comes with the couples quarantine, the 10-step guide. But this one ties into that as well. It says, "I'm scared," and then the partner replies with, "Chill, you got this." And this flashcard defines encouraging one another. So many people don't speak life into one another. So many people can send them weak ass good morning texts to everybody else, can give them a smile, the mailman, the milkman, the bank man, everybody else, but the person that you lay in the bed with, get a grumpy ass good morning, if anything, period. Tell you guys all the time, that first greeting, that first initiation of touch can dictate the entire day. And some of you guys know this. No, I tell them that all the time. Like, just speak life into your partner. And,
oh yeah, for sure.
You wake up extra bald head and in a bad mood, you probably gonna ruin the energy of the whole entire household. So, as we was telling you guys, grab your couples quarantine guide right now. You already know what to do. Click the link in the bio. We both wrote it. We co-authored it, both from our perspective on steps you guys can take to build that bond.
We also added examples of how we go about practicing those steps.
Speaking of that, the couples quarantine, it is for adults only. The flashcards, it's cool if you read them in front of your children. The couples quarantine, though, those steps, I can't speak for everybody. I'm very open and transparent with my children, but you may not want to read those in front of your children because we do give examples about our personal life and some things we do
on how we practice the 10 steps.
You got to get each other through the day. So be mindful about reading those in front of your children. Like I said, anyway, y'all, this is a limited release. While we sitting in the house, let's learn, let's grow, let's build, let's bond.
And let's have fun.
Click the link in the bio or DerrickGrace2.com and grab yours ASAP. Again, it's 2 for 1. Relationship flashcards and the couples quarantine come in a pack together. Grab that now.